Welcome back to Huffler Garage. So today's episode is going to be my 2005 Yamaha 1700. So I actually got this bike several years ago. We've had it stashed in the back of the garage. The way I got this was I basically picked it up out of a field and it had 4 bullet holes in it. So we actually, at that time that we picked up this bike, we didn't film, obviously this was several years ago, and we actually got it started and rode it here. So the bullet holes that were in it has messed up the wheel. One went through the valve cover, which I was able to fix with some JB Weld. It was just a temporary fix. One bullet went through the fuel tank, and we were able to weld those shut, and one into the exhaust. So luckily it didn't get any tires and it didn't do any major damage to the engine. But so we're going to show you cleaning this thing up and hopefully I'll get it running. cover off, and we're going to try to get it started. I put my new battery in here, got it tightened up. This thing hasn't ran in probably a year. The horn works. Give her a little fuel. Definitely my enricher is, yeah, my enricher cable is seized. The enricher is kind of like a choke. Well, we're going to start it again. It sounded like it had some hiccups. am thoroughly surprised that she did actually start up. It does sound like we've got some, this is a brand new battery. It's topped off, it's got full voltage. Sounds like the starter's not fully engaging sometimes, and it may just be that it's set for so long it's seizing up. But it did start. Did have some hesitation and some backfires, which you can't really tell with that hesitation from the very start of the throttle. When you actually put it under a load, it's probably going to die. But for a bike that's been sitting for 3+ years, and I think it ran about a year ago, we did just try to get it to move into our garage. I'm surprised she even runs. So I'm going to show you some more coming up. I may end up having to rebuild that carburetor. Well, we're going to clean it up and see if we can get it working for our fall season weather. So as soon as it goes into gear, it dies. Let's try this again. So after messing around with that kickstand, we found out that neutral safety switch must have been stuck or wasn't getting connection. After playing with it, pull the clutch in. As you just saw, it is running. I am thoroughly surprised after it's sitting for so long that it even ran and we were able to take it around the block. So I do not believe I'm going to have to go through the carburetor. We're going to put some more miles on it, run some more fuel through it, and get it fixed up the rest of the way. Sorry about the audio quality. We left all of our filming gear in the boat, the Supra that's out at the lake, and this was just today's project. Thank you for joining us. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.